folks, Maverick Indicators here. Top of the morning to you. So not sure if you guys saw my video yesterday, but for our Maverick AI Pro bundle, the lifetime members, the folks that purchase that bundle, are going to get a couple of free indicators coming up here soon. I know I told you guys the last installment was the last of the free indicators for that bundle, but yeah, I wanted to kind of give back a little bit more. So one of the indicators is this, it's called Maverick Signals. And check out this signal right here. Boom. Check out this signal right here. It's taking off, okay? So very interesting, and we're getting the turn of the 5-minute candle here soon, so we'll get a little bit of retracement up probably to the Maverick guide. But two really fun indicators here. What a huge move to the downside on gold right here. And now we got a second signal, which I got in a little late. Started to flush down, started to get the hot pink candles. I'm only in 3 micros here because it is 6:59 a.m. So I'm not going to trade heavy. I'm on a funded account and getting a little retracement coming up into the bell here, or into the around the 5-minute candle turn. So I'm just going to wait it out, but I wanted to show you guys these two awesome signals here and here. If you go back, here's another nice one. Boom. Up to the upside, you have bright green candles, so super strong to the upside. Can't remember which background I turned on because the other indicator has the trender background, that Maverick AI Pro background, and the bear bull. I want to say this is the bear bull background. So I mean, 3 in a row. Buy signal, took off. You broke below the Maverick guide. You got a sell signal here. Gray reversal candles, tons of down confidence arrows. This thing just sunk down all the way. I mean, this is a moneymaker right here. From here down to here, you probably would have only taken a little bit of heat, but really, yeah, that's pretty good. Then we pop back up, and then we got another sell signal, and I jumped in with just 3 micros. Again, playing it really, really tiny because it is 7 a.m. now. So last thing I ever want to do is play heavy when there's like no volatility in the market, and it's just kind of like, it is what it is. So now we're coming up, we're testing the Maverick guide. We got to get past the 1-minute mark on the around the, you guys know, the first minute and the last minute of a 5-minute candle. I actually stay out of. I sit on my hands. So even though we're getting some retracement right here, doesn't really concern me that much because, by the way, I'm on the 1-minute. I don't know why I'm on the 1-minute. I usually trade on the 5, but I'm on the 1-minute right here. And but I always keep my eye down here at the clock. Okay, first minute, last minute of a 5-minute candle. Don't want nothing to do with, so I just sit on my hands. This is where stop losses are grabbed, a lot of shakeouts, all that stuff. First and last minute of a 5-minute candle. So, and now you can see how just trading a few micros in the morning can be very profitable, believe it or not. But it allows, like, if I was in minis right now, I'd be getting torched, right? Because even, what was I down? $27? I'd be $270. But instead I was down $27. So anyway, we trade to be profitable, not to have, glorious $1 million days. I just want to be profitable. So if I'm late to a trade, Trading micros will allow me to take a lot more heat and be wrong a lot more than I'm right, I guess is a way to say it. So cool. So how many folks would have gotten shaken out on this candle, this candle, this candle, and this candle because they were all green candles? This candle, this candle, this candle, and this candle were all green candles, but you have the Maverick AI Pro. The Maverick AI Pro colors your candles for the data that we're seeing. Okay? Bright green candles are your strongest upside candle. Green, your second strongest upside candle, but it's going down. Yes, because the data is cooling off from the bullishness. Gray is reversal or indecision. Right here is reversal. Red is your second strongest downside candle, and hot pink is your strongest downside candle. So you get used to these indicators on how they're working. Now, this is probably a little abnormal seeing pink come up like this, but we're on the 1 minute, so not that abnormal there. But you would never do anything right here anyway because you don't have any trender activity. Okay, and go back, watch the videos on the Maverick trender. You don't have any down confidence arrows. This was your move. Your move was sell signal. Okay, down confidence arrow, down confidence arrow, down confidence arrow, down confidence arrow, down confidence arrow. They're all gray reversal candles. You came up and tested the Maverick guide and it continued to push down, but you had red candles here. So all good. Sell signal, down confidence arrow, down confidence arrow, pushing down. We have pink candles. I am letting this sucker ride. I have hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Now, it is 7:04 a.m. and we're coming into the last 15 minutes of a 5-minute candle. All right, so sell signal, down confidence arrow, push down. We are staying below this blue line. Remember, this blue line is the Maverick guide. When price is below it, we go short. When price breaks and closes above it, we go long. Look where we're at. We have not maybe we had one closure right here, but it came right back down. Oh no, this was a red candle, so this did not close above the Maverick guide. So, you know, price is below the Maverick guide, I'm sticking in it. And, you know, for those of you that below eval account or funded accounts, and you're like, hey, what's, you know, man, one trade, I blew the account. It's like, how'd you blow an account in one trade? You know, treat this like a business. You're here to make profit, not to gamble. And micros is a huge thing. Look how long I've been sitting in this trade, watching the data, and just, I'm relaxed. You can hear my voice. I'm sipping on my coffee. I'm not looking to make $1 million on this trade. It is, again, 7 a.m. in the morning. Like, I'm just like, you know, can I make a few $100 on this trade? Sure. But it'd be crazy for me at 7 in the morning to take a funded account, you know, pop 5 minis on it and try and make, you know, $5,000. You know, like that would just be stupid. Which actually this would be $720. Oh, well, if I did 5, you'd have to do the math. It'd be more than that because I'm in only 3 contracts here, but probably be $1,000. But I'm not looking to try and make $1,000 at 7 a.m. Once the market opens, woo, I'm going to be trading. We'll be trading futures when the market opens. Definitely going to be trading options today. And just letting the Maverick AI Pro guide me. And the Maverick Trender right now, Maverick Trender, pegged to the top, downtrend label, hot pink candles. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green candles in this whole time. Didn't shake me out. I have hot pink candles. I'm sticking in this thing. Sell signal, down, 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 down confidence arrows, below the blue line. We are absolutely trending below this blue line. And, you know, some people might look at it and go, oh, you're up like $50. What am I supposed to do with $50? Well, you know, here's the thing, is that you trade copy and you only make 50 bucks per account. And if you have 5 accounts, that's $250 per day. You do 100 bucks per account with 5 accounts. It's 500 bucks a day. 500 bucks a day is $10,000 a month. Okay? And this is pretty stress-free trading for me. Very stress-free trading. So anyway, so if you want clear vision on your charts, I mean, it doesn't get clearer than this. I'm on the 1 minute candle on TradingView. Again, we're on NinjaTrader and TradingView. Maverick Signals, which is an indicator coming out this week for our lifetime members of the Maverick AI Pro bundle. Bright green candles. Doesn't get any cleaner than that. The data is telling you bright green is your strongest upside candle. Then you start to reverse. You break below the Maverick guide. You get green candles. Then gray reversal candles. We teach you the colors. There's only 5 colors to remember. Okay, you get a sell signal. You break below the Maverick guide. Look at all these down confidence arrows screaming at you to get in. This was a monster move. This right here was a monster move. Let's say you got in right here, 4441, and you got it, and not the full move, right here, 4441 to 427. So, that's 4. What was it? What did I say? 427. Okay, it's a $14 move on gold. Remember, gold has 10 ticks per dollar. 10 ticks per dollar. Okay, so that's 14. Oh, wait. So on a mini, that'd be a $1,400 trade. On one micro, you'd make 140 bucks. So I'm in 3 micros. So what would that been? $420 move? I mean, that's pretty awesome for clicking a mouse. Here we go. Sell signal. Pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Staying below the Maverick guide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down confidence arrows. Maverick trender was pegged to the top when you took this trade. You lost a little momentum on this sideways action. And now it's testing the Maverick guide. Is it going to close above it? Don't know. Oh, look where you are. You're within the first minute of a 5-minute candle. So the first and last minute of a 5-minute candle, I sit on my hands. Yes, we are on 1-minute candles. But that turn of that, just go watch it. Go watch gold, go watch ES, go watch NQ, go watch the first and the last minute of a 5-minute candle. It's always like stop loss grab mania, or whatever you want to say. All right, so we finally got that push down. The Maverick AI Pro was telling us downward data the entire time. Hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. This is reading the data that is happening in the background, and we got our down push, okay? We're only in 3 micros. So listen, if you want clear vision on your charts, if you want the indicators I wish I had when I first started, come check us out. Don't take my word for it, not financial advice. Do your own research. Read what our traders are saying. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com. We would love to help you crush it in 2026, okay? All right, this is how you get clear vision on your charts. Hot pink candles the whole time. The data was reading to the downside. We didn't get faked out at all up here, at all, okay? We hung on, and yes, it's 150 bucks on 3 little micros, okay? So, hey, if you want to trade minis, go for it. Again, not financial advice, do your own research, but at 7 in the morning, I'm just going to play it nice and small, do some trade copying, and stack the profits. All right. So just to give you an update on this trade, we're up about, get my stop losses out of there, about $300. And remember, we're only in 3 micros, but look how many times, let me show you guys this real quick. These wicks, see these green wicks? These are green candles. How many times would people have gotten shaken out in this trade with all these green candles? I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like there's a ton of green candles in here, but because the Maverick AI Pro is coloring my candles to the data, which is hot pink, if you see pink, it will most likely sink. Sorry guys, my stop losses are in the way. You know, we're up $300. I was up over $400, but we're up about, you know, $300. Watch, I'm going to jinx myself. I'm going to tell you that, and then it's just going to start ripping up. But we're up a good deal on 3 itty bitty micros, $270. Okay, so now the colors are changing, and I got to be careful here, right? Because if the colors are changing from hot pink to red, we could be getting a retracement. Now there is a support and resistance level right here that I'm paying attention to. So we might come up and test it just like we did right here and then push straight down. But until my Maverick AI Pro tells me otherwise, I'm staying in this thing. And look, we got a sell signal way up here. On a mini, this would have been a huge trade. We're just on a micro. Oh, and we're in the last minute of the 5-minute candle. Okay, so you got about 7 seconds left. So the first minute and the last minute of a 5-minute candle, we sit on our hands. Okay, so 3 micros, we probably risked about $15 per contract, maybe. So you're probably looking at, what was that, $45 in risk, and we're up $280. Okay, so and we let the Maverick AI Pro guide us the whole way. Sell signal, hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Hear me now, believe me later. Tons of down confidence arrows. Sell signal, gray reversal candles, tons of down confidence arrows. Again, this is the Maverick signals indicator. This will be available in the next couple of days for the Maverick AI Pro lifetime members. All right. So I'm going to keep letting this ride, and I got no risk going on right now. I'm playing with house money. We're up over $300, and we risked about $45, okay? And the Maverick AI Pro has been guiding us all the way through. All right, so this trade has just been playing out beautifully. Let me get my stop losses out of the way so you can see this. So we're up $400, guys, on 3 micros. Now we are retracing a good deal right here. I was up about, I think, 500 at one point. So getting some retracement up to the Maverick guide, that's okay. Beautiful sell signal, tons of down confidence arrows, hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Folks, we probably risked $45 on this trade, okay? 3 little micros. And then we had a little bit of a retracement here, these reversal candles, but due to market structure, I hung in there. And then we broke again below the Maverick guide, got another sell signal, and boom, we were off to the races again. Hot pink candles. Again, how many people would have gotten shaken out this whole way? Look at all these green wicks. These green wicks are green candles. Tons of green candles on this downtrend. This is why, to have edge in the market, you need something that colors your candles to the data. Okay? Again, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Like, there's so many on the way down here that would have shaken a lot of folks out, but we had hot pink candles. We had down confidence arrows. We had our Maverick trender keep pegging to the top here. We had the Maverick Multi-X, 5 traders voting across 6 time frames, all voting bearish, and we just kept sinking down. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Had a little retracement here. I was absolutely comfortable with this retracement because where I got in, I believed was a resistance level. So I just hung in there, got another sell signal, down confidence arrows, hot pink candles again, below the Maverick guide. Remember, when we're below the Maverick guide, we like to go short. When we're above the Maverick guide, we like to go long. And I could show you that over and over and over again. 3 micros. 3 micros. And look what we're up. $500 on 3 micros. Okay? Why? Am I the best trader in the world? Heck no. I'm probably not, I ain't even top 10,000. Okay, I am not the best trader. What I do have is fantastic indicators that guide me through my trades. Okay, so listen, if you want clear vision on your charts, if you want edge in the market, if you want the indicators that I wish I had when I first started, come check us out. Not financial advice. Do your own research. Like I always say, it's free to look. Come to our website, read what the traders are saying. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com. And again, our indicators are available on TradingView and NinjaTrader. All right. Hope you guys trade safe. Have a fantastic week. Make it a profitable week. Let's crush 2026. Let's go. MaverickIndicators.com.